Okay, I'm reloaded.
YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, welcome back to another video. You feel me? You already know the vibe. Before we even get started, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. I know this background right here is a little bit different, but that's how I'm feeling right now. So I'm like, man, let me just... The dog want to start barking. But I'm like, man, let me switch it up a little bit. But in this video right here, man, pretty much we're going to talk about the bots, the AI investment group that I have going on. I've been dropping videos. I've been keeping y'all updated. I've been completely 100% transparent with y'all throughout this entire journey. Y'all know I'm gonna show y'all proof. Y'all know we gonna go over the trades and stuff that it took this week. It was a shorter week because Easter is tomorrow. So like Friday, it wasn't no trading on Friday, or like for the broker that I use, it pretty much wasn't no trading on Friday. And yeah, man, let's actually talk about it. So when it comes to the bot is doing good. You feel me? Like the bot is not doing bad. The bot is not losing money. So that right there is a plus. Now, for me, I said this in one of the last videos. I think about this damn bot 24/7, son, because it is something that I created. It's like my baby. You feel me? It's my creation. And then on top of that, I'm putting results out in the public, you feel me? Like I'm selling the bot to people. So of course I want to make sure that, you know, it's actually good. You know, people in my university are using the bot. I also have an investment group where I'm pretty much managing other people's money using the bot as well. So, you know, I think about this shit 24/7, you know, and it really is very, very frustrating, you feel me? Just because I won't even say frustrating, it's just tedious, and just the type of person that I am, I'm like an overthinker, like, and yeah, man, long story short, I be thinking about this damn bot over and over. Now, right now, the bot has been running for about a month. All right, so it's been 1 month, and that's not including all of the mistakes that I made in the beginning, the little changes and the tweaks and stuff that I was making as time was going. But at the end of the day, for the $1,000 to $10,000, that account right there is currently at like, it's at 16%. So we had 16% profit, like currently right now. So for 1 month, we need 16% in profit. That's actually good, because I know a lot of people who blow money. I know a lot of people who haven't made anything this month. You feel me? And then on top of that, for it to be something that's completely automated, like I didn't do anything besides the mistakes and stuff that I made, like that's good, you feel me? And one of the things that actually really does piss me off is that the account got to 48% profit. You feel me? So it was a time where, it was actually earlier this week, the account went up to $1,400. That's the most the account has ever been in there. Remember, it started off with $1,000. So we had made like $480 of profit, but then the very next day, we pretty much lost it all. Now, like I said, we're gonna go over that, we're gonna talk about it, but as this week, pretty much everything that happened this week, Monday and Tuesday pretty much were losing days, because the market was, what I've learned is that when the market is consolidating, that's when the bot loses. That's what I knew that when it came to like my strategy in general. Like when the market is consolidating on a daily time frame, like I don't make bread those days. And the same thing goes for the bot. So Monday was a short day. Tuesday was a short day. When I say short day, I mean like a small range day where it didn't really move. Wednesday, that's when I made a lot of bread for the $1,000 account and for all of my investors. Like that's where we made the most bread on those days. And then Thursday, low key kind of gave, not all of it, but we gave a lot of it back on Thursday. And then I couldn't even make up for it on Friday, or the bot couldn't make up for it on Friday because the market was closed. Now, when I think about this, it made me feel a certain way. 16% is good, son, but when I think about it, I'm like, damn, bro, my shit only did 16%. Like, that ain't nothing. And just to show y'all, like, bro, when I say I be doing, like, taking vigorous fucking notes, like I'm literally putting in work as far as like how this bot is performing and how can I make it better and how can I just make, you know, the most money as possible. And through all of the tests and all of the reports and stuff that I've done, like the bot is about 18% accurate. It's about 18% accurate, and that's going off of years of data, and that's going off of like month to month. Like every month, I average about, or the bot averages about 18% of 18% win rate. That don't mean that it's gonna bring you 18% profit, because you can make way more than that depending on how much you risk and stuff like that. But it does have an 18% win rate. And before you start thinking, damn, 18%, that ain't nothing. Our risk to reward is very high. So our risk to reward is like 1 to 10. You feel me? So when it comes to making money in a trading game, you can either have a high win rate or a high risk to reward. As long as you got one of those things that's high, you should be able to make some bread. But yeah, man, I wouldn't say that this week has been frustrating. Just Monday and Tuesday kind of blew me, because I always tell y'all that Tuesday is usually like a big day when it comes to trading. But if it don't hit on Tuesday, I know that more than likely it's gonna hit on Wednesday. You feel me? And I was hoping to hit on Friday, but Friday is closed. But let's go into the actual chart so I can show y'all these trades. I can show y'all how the accounts and stuff look, and then we'll go from there, man. Let's get it. All right, so right now we're looking at the Wave AI account. This account right here is pretty much me turning the $1,000 into $10,000. I've been showing y'all the equity curve. I've been showing y'all the reports and all of that, and I'm gonna continue to do that. You feel me? Just so y'all can know this ain't cap. Like, this is all 100% real. I'm showing y'all my journey, and y'all seeing this happen in real time. So as of right now, the bot has been going for about 1 month full. Like, for all of March, the bot has been running. Now, like I said before, I've made mistakes. I've made tweaks in the beginning. I've changed things. I've added things. So it's like this right here, even with all this stuff that I changed and added, we still did 16%. And out of all of the tests that I ran, out of all of the out of all of the reports and stuff that I've gotten from this bot, it has shown to be about 16% accurate, or about 16 to 18% accurate every single month. So this right here is really just, it's on par with how the math don't lie. That's pretty much what I'm saying. The math is literally mathing. You feel me? So when I think about it, like, damn, bro, we was just up 48%. Now it's back at 16%. Like, yeah, that does piss me off. It is a high, it's a very low win rate, which means that we do lose a lot, but we're not losing a lot of money when we do lose, if that makes sense. But yeah, so the account started off with $1,000. Right now we made $166 of profit, and $166, okay, that's not really a lot, but you gotta really think about it. That $166 could be $1,000. That could be $1,660. That $166, that could be $16,000 if I would have just risked more money. You feel me? But I have it on a very low risk setting, because this is like the first month of the AI bot, and we seeing how it's been working. So that's for this account right here. You can see the equity curve. I told you guys on Thursday, we pretty much had the most money that we've ever had, or I guess on the 22nd we did too, but then we just lost it all, or yeah, we lost a lot of it the very next day. But this is how the equity curve looks. It low-key look like it looks like it's at break even, but it's not. We actually in some profit right now. And yeah, so for the year, we're currently up 16%. That's for this account. So now let's look at the investment account. The investment account is up 1%. Now, the reason why the investment account is only up 1% is because this account right here currently has $7,000 in it. So the other account only has $1,000 in it, or this account has $1,000 in it, and this account has $7,000 in it. But I'm taking the same trades that's being taken on this account is being taken on this account. So it's the same exact trades, and it's the same lot size. So like, that's the reason why this account is only up 1%. But you can see our current profit is at $43. That's because I started this a lot later than this account. So I started the investment group a lot later than the $10,000 challenge account. Now, if you want to become a part of the investment group, click the link below this video. Pretty much when you become a part of it, you're going to get a percentage of all of the profit that these bots make. All right, so when you invest into the bot, you're gonna get a percentage of all of the profit that the bots make. So that right there, if you're a beginning trader and you've never really traded before, or if you like somebody who don't really got time to be trying to learn how to trade, that right there might be perfect for you, because now you can just invest money and let the bots work your money for you. All right, so this is how much we have in the account right now. We actually did have somebody withdraw about $260 from the account, which is all good. You feel me? It's your money, and like I said from the beginning, I mean, it's your money, so you can take it out whenever you want. And yeah, that's that. So now let's look at the actual chart. All right, so this right here was Friday. The 22nd was Friday. And you can see that Friday was a big day. We made a lot of money on Friday. But then Monday came. If you don't, whenever from here on out, like if you look at my charts, if you don't see lines like this on my chart, that pretty much means that like we didn't, these are winning trades. So if when you don't see that, that means that we didn't win. So Monday was a losing day. Tuesday was a losing day as well. And then Wednesday came, and you can see that we made a lot of money back. And pretty much all the market did was just retrace. It just corrected all of this movement. So it just retraced all of that and just corrected it. All right. So Thursday was a losing day. You feel me? You can see I'm still in a buy position right now. I really want to close this buy position, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to just let the bot work. I'm going to let the bot do what it's meant to do. And I'm expecting a big move to happen on Monday. If it doesn't happen on Monday, more than likely it's gonna happen on Tuesday. And yeah, man, that's just how the market works. But one of the things that like is kind of, I wouldn't say bothering me, but something that I think about a lot is the bot doesn't win very often. Okay, it's a very low win rate, 18% win rate. So that means that it takes a lot of losses. So one of the biggest issues that I have is like, okay, or questions that I ask myself is like, how can I minimize these losses? How can I take less losses? That's one question that I always think to myself. And then another question I think to myself is like, all right, so how can I maximize my reward? So like for these trades, my take profit is usually 100 points. It's usually 100 points, but you can see on the 27th, if you trace the arrow, I had this arrow is about 300 points. So on the 27th, I took 300 points out of a lot of those trades, and then on Friday, on the 22nd, I literally did the same thing. So like, I know on Tuesdays and Fridays, those are usually big days. So what I've been doing, I've been moving my take profit on those days, and I've been changing it to 30. Or to 300 points. So now I'm just thinking like, damn man, should I go for 100 points, or should I just start going for 300 points every single time? Because for me, I like to catch the big move of the day. Now the reason why I haven't done it, like the reason why I haven't changed the bot settings to do it is because when I run tests on the 300 take profit, when I run tests on it, it doesn't make as much as the 100 take profit. So like, it doesn't make as much if I change the take profit. And then I start thinking like, all right, well, what if I take partial profits? What if I close half of it at 100 points, and then if I close the rest of it at 300 points? Like, how would I make, or what would my profit be then? And I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm doing the math wrong or something, but it's still showing me that it's not showing me a difference. You feel me? So like that right there is something that I just be thinking like, bro, there's no way that if I take partial profits, that's gonna like overall throughout time, I'm gonna make literally the same amount as if I don't take partial profits at all. I don't know if this is making sense, but like this is the type of shit I be thinking about all day, you know? And yeah, man, but that's pretty much what happened this week. Like I said, Friday, the market on this broker wasn't open on Friday because it was Good Friday, so that's like technically a holiday. And yeah, these are the trades that the bot has been making. Our account is currently at $1,166. It's up 16% For the investment account, the best investment account is only up 1%, which it's not good, it's not bad. It's kind of just like, all right. As long as it wasn't making money, I'm good. But I know that our investors, they want to make money. But I also know as long as the money isn't being lost, then our investors aren't upset. You feel me? So yeah, man, that's pretty much how this joint is working. That's how this joint is going. And like I said, I'm gonna keep updating y'all. I'm gonna keep showing y'all this. I'm doing this for y'all, and I'm doing it for myself, just because, yeah, man, I want to track this journey, man. I want to see if I really created something that can you know, change everything, you know, change the game. Because I know there are a lot of different bots and stuff, and a lot of different AIs out there. I don't know about how those joints work, and they got, oh, a 90% win rate and blah blah blah. Like, I don't know about none of those, about none of that. All I know is what I have going. You feel me? My joint is a real strategy, as you can see through all of the videos I've been showing y'all. It's a real strategy. It has a low win rate, but at the end of the day, that 16% is very, very consistent. So 16% compounded every single month, like that right there is good. You feel me? That right there is good. What else was I gonna say? That's pretty much it, man. I gotta get ready to go somewhere, but let me know how y'all feel about this video in the comments. Let me know if y'all got any questions. Go ahead and ask it in the comments. I know a lot of y'all ask, like, yo, man, how can I get the bot? How can I own the bot? If you want to own the bot, click the link below this video. Join the university. Once you become a member of the university, you will have the robot for life. And I mean, once you got it forever. You could change the settings and stuff to fit your trading style. If you want to become an investor, when you become an investor, you're going to get a percentage of all of the profit that the bot makes. All right, so that right there is perfect if you never traded before, if you like a beginning trader, or if you don't got the time to be trying to learn how to trade. If you got bread that you want to invest, then the investment group might be good for you. The link is in the description below for that as well. And if you want to keep track of how these bots are performing, the MyFX books, the links to those are also in the description and in the comments below. But yeah, man, first month down, a lifetime to go. You feel me? 16% in the first month, man. I can't be mad at that, man. You feel me? Because I remember when I was losing. I remember when I couldn't make money at all. You feel me? And now I have a bot that's doing it for me. You feel me? So growth is definitely growth. And yeah, man, things are gonna keep getting better and better. Alright, if you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the way to join the family. If you enjoyed this video, definitely like the video. If you're looking forward to seeing how this bot is going to perform in the future, definitely like this video. And yeah, man, that's it, man. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Sheesh.
Damn, I remember being broke. Niggas calling me a joke. Sleeping on me, now they woke. Now they say I give them hope. She ain't never even noticed me. Now I pull up and she knows me. Shorty say she see the goat in me. I got everybody quoting